My wife likes to leave random notes around the house on things that shouldn't write notes. Like she has notes on my shoes saying, put me away, don't belong here. When I flew out a couple weeks ago, there was a note on my blender that read, Dear John, I'd appreciate it if you rinse me out after you're done using me. Rude. Blender. #now. So I replied to the blender. Dear Blender, I find it curious you know cursive and yet can't clean yourself. The hands used to write this could have put your in the dishwasher. We all contribute differently. #money. Hey, keep in mind, people, I was talking to the blender. I would never talk to my wife that way.